Hey there, this is JoaniT, your RN Realtor. I'm out here in Brevard County and I'm doing a open house with my friend Clarissa. We're kind of sharing the opportunity. This house is a 4-bedroom with an office, 3 full baths. There is a gorgeous swimming pool over here which has a beautiful water feature. It is all screened in and it's on a conservation lot. And here's Clarissa. There she is. Kitchen has 3 ovens. There is a coffee maker over here by the refrigerator. That's part of the refrigerator. Yeah, it's part of the refrigerator. There's 3 main living areas between the dining room. There's a huge foyer, family room. 2 bedrooms are down this hallway, and they're flanked by a full bath, linen closet, and then in the back, there's also an amazing bedroom, and there's a bath here, so this could be for your more mature, like me, guests. And again, there's a doorway here that leads outside. Conservation lot. Yes, there are people at our open house. And let me show you the master as well. And we're back to the front door. Here's the master. Glass doors out to the pool. And beautiful setup for the tub. And the shower also. Anyway, this is JoaniT, your RN Realtor. I am out here in Melbourne. And we are at, what's the address on Alamanda?
4638.
4638 Alamanda. Look, don't we look good? We match. Have a good day.